Uh, uh, it's a ninja lockdown challenge. Namaste guys, namaste at home. This is a ninja lockdown challenge. Okay, so what we're going to look at today is a negative chin-up challenge. Now I know that not everyone has a pull-up bar at home, so this is for those of you that do. So the challenge is you've got 60 seconds to do as many reps as possible. Okay, we're only going to look at one particular style of negative, and here it is. Let's do it. Okay, so we're going to start with our chin above the bar. We'll come into our chin-up grip, which you should all know by now. Hands are about shoulder width. You're going to jump up, get your chin above the bar, hug it tight to the bar, slowly lower yourself down, come to full extension, reset on the floor or the box or whatever you're using, and then go again. So there you go. There it is. 60 seconds to do as many reps as possible. Video footage is essential for this. Let us all know how you get on with this challenge. Share it with the group. Stay safe. Keep washing your hands. See you tomorrow for the next challenge. Ninja Warrior!